guys are hardcore, huh? Put a motor in that car after last night, all night long? It's still getting here? All right. Found the motor on Craigslist. Check points at 2 a.m., 5 a.m.? Yep, hit them all. Got pictures. Whatever it takes to finish drag week, right? Last day.
And what happened?
Blew a motor yesterday afternoon, made 2 passes, blew the motor, jumped on Craigslist, Facebook, found the motor, took everything off the motor. Guy took it out of his car, sold it to us, delivered it to the track. We put it in at the gates at Bristol Motor Speedway.
Hey guys, I'm here with Mark R. Blaster. He's with Street Machine Magazine out of Sydney, Australia. And he's right now doing what is real drag week, which is he's had a problem and he's fixing it right now. Mark, what are you doing?
We're in the process of pulling the head off the car. It pushed the head gasket on the last pass, and we don't fancy walking back to Atlanta, so it won't hold water. So we're just trying to get the head off it right now. We put an announcement out and someone brought us a head gasket, so we're only moments away from getting the head off this thing.
Okay, well, we'll get out of your way and good luck there, Mark.
Okay, thanks, Joe.